So we will see the definition of singular noun. Words which indicate only one person, place, or thing is said to be singular number. So we see the definition. Words which indicate only one. I am talking about only one. Words that indicate only one person, place or thing is said to be singular noun. So for example, cat. So cat is a singular noun. If we put s, then it will become plural. We will see it later. Boy. We are talking about only one boy, a boy. So it is a singular noun. So we will see plural noun. Now we will see plural number or plural noun. Words which indicate more than words which indicate more than one person, place or thing is said to be plural number. Now we have seen singular. For example, there is singular now. Singular cat is a singular, and for to make it plural, we add s. So it become cats. Boy become boys. So these are the examples of plural number. So there are many rules for changing singular noun into plural noun. So we will see that rules also. For changing singular noun into a plural noun, there are certain rules. So we will see rule number 1. We add s to most of the singular nouns to change them into the plural ones. So we see the example car. Car, we are talking about one car, okay. Here car is a singular form. It is in a singular form. So what we do in rule number 1, we add s. So car become cars. To change it into a plural form, we add s. Bag become bags. So this is more than one bag. More than one bag. If you are talking about more than one bag, pen or dog, then we have to put s on this word, okay. So pen become pens, dog become dogs. So to change this word into a plural form, we add s. So rule number 1 is that. So we go to rule number 2. Noun ends in s, x, ch, sh, ss, we add es. So there are numbers of words in English, right? So we see words that ends with s. So words that ends with s is bus. So what we put, if the word ends with s, then what we put, we add es. So we have to put es in this word. To change this singular form into plural, we add es. And words that also end with x, what we put, es. ch, so bench. So what we have here, ch, it ends with ch. So these are the rules for changing singular into plural form. So we will see rule number 3. If a noun ends by Y preceded by a vowel, we add S. So in this word, what we see, this is a vowel. So we should know what is vowel and consonant in this rule. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and all the rest of the words. In 26 letters, there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and rest are consonants. So we should know that in this rule, boy, B-O-Y, O is a vowel, right? So if there is O in a word letter Y followed by O, then boy becomes S. We have to add S on this. To make it in a plural form, we have to add S. Days, so A is also a vowel. So what we have to do, put S. Toy, O is also a vowel, so we put S. Donkey, so E is also a vowel, so we have to put S. To make it from singular to plural, we put S. In rule number 4, nouns ending with Y preceded by a consonant. So we see here preceded by a vowel, so here we have consonant. So consonants are rest of the words, left A, E, I, O, U, then other alphabets like T. T is a consonant. So if there is any word that has consonant alphabet, then we have to put I-E-S. C-I-T-I-E-S. So we have to add I-E-S instead of Y. So lady becomes ladies. Baby, we have to cut this Y and so we have to put I-E-S instead of S when there is consonant. So rule number 5, nouns in F or FE, we add VES. So there are many words in English, right? So one of the word, for example, is LEAF. LEAF ends with which letter? F. So what we have to put instead of F? L-E-A-V-E-S. So we have to put V-E-S. If a word ends with F, then what we have to put is V-E-S. L-I-F-E. So if a word ends with F-E, then also we have to put V-E-S. So there are also some exceptions, okay? Exceptions means which does not follow rule. So this word also ends with F, but we will not add VES in this word. This word we have to learn properly. So F, this word also ends with F, but we will not put VES in this word. And it goes same with belief. So this word also ends with F, but we will not put VES in this word belief. And this goes on. There are many words. So rule number 6 are nouns in O, we add ES. So these are some of the words that ends with O. So likewise there are many words. So for example, I have chosen some of these words. So tomato. So this word ends with O. So what we have to put here is ES. So tomato becomes tomatoes. To make this word into plural form, we have to add ES. Hero become heroes. Mango. We are talking about one particular mango. So if we talk about more than one mango in a plural form, we have to write ES. So in the same way, exception means which does not follow rule. The word which does not follow rule. So there are certain words also. So like photos, photo. So this also ends with O, but we will not put ES. If we put ES, then the pronunciation changes. So that's why we will not write ES in this word. Zoo. So we also will not write ES, but instead we will write S. So these are the rules of singular into plural form. Rule number 7. Some nouns do not change in their plural form. So there are, as I have already mentioned, there are many words in English, right? So there, some of the words will not change its in plural form. So some of the words are ship. So we cannot say ships. So this is totally wrong. So ships will not be correct. Deer, deers. So this is also incorrect. Fish, fishes. This is also incorrect. So rule number 8. Some nouns are made plural in an irregular manner but change its spellings. So there are also some words that has a singular form. So woman becomes, when we change from singular, to plural, so the spellings will be changed. So woman will become women. Man will become men. Foot, feet. Child, children. So we can see only the spellings has been changed. So this is a singular form, woman. So when we change women into plural form, we will add E, women. Man becomes men. Food becomes feet. Child becomes children. So this is the last rule for making singular into plural noun. In case of compound nouns, so compound noun is made of more than 2 words. So 2 words means brother-in-law, more than 2 words, brother-in-law. So brother is 1, 2, 3, right? So more than 1 word. So we have to put S. So we cannot say brother-in-laws. So instead of saying brother-in-laws, we will say brothers-in-law. In the same way, sister-in-law, we will not put S here, but we will put S here. To change singular into plural, we put S here. So compound nouns are those that is more than 1 word. So son become sons-in-law. So hope you have understood the rules and regulations of making singular into plural noun. Thank you very much.